Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install CentOS 8 as a virtual machine using VirtualBox. So let us start. Launch the VirtualBox and go to the new. Give any name to machine, for example CentOS 8. Wherever you want to save it, you can save it. Next, increase the RAM. I'll use 2 GB RAM. Or rather I'll use 4 GB RAM, but it depends on the availability of RAM. Next, create a virtual hard disk. Yes, create. VDI type, dynamically allocated, and make it 10 GB. Create. So the machine is created. Now we are going to perform some basic setting of the machine. Select the machine, go to setting. So go to the system and increase the number of processors. By default it is using 1 processor and we shall use 2 processors. Okay, now go to the network. I shall use 2 adapter 1 it is net, and adapter 2 I shall use bridge adapter. Set the security, change the MAC address and allow all. Okay, say okay. We forgot to give the storage media. Go to setting and once again storage, select the CD DVD and then choose your virtual machine. And virtual machine I already have downloaded CentOS, therefore I am attaching it. Say OK and start. Okay, select the option number 1, install CentOS. Select the language, English is okay, continue. So installation destination, it's okay, done. After selecting the hardware, done. So after selecting the hard disk, begin installation. Now you can set the password, for example okay, that's your choice, and you can choose any password, but it should be not dictionary based. So guys, after rebooting the system once again, the computer starts the installation. At this stage, simply power off the system and change the boot sequence. Go to the setting, system, and okay. Now the boot order is hard disk. Start the system and it will reboot in. Press escape if you want to see the boot messages. It is good idea to troubleshoot your system. By pressing escape key on your keyboard, you can see the boot messages of the system. After rebooting, you need to accept the license, done, and finish configuration. That's all. Okay, now the system is ready. Okay, privacy location services on. Okay, your online account if you want. Okay, if you don't want, you can skip it. Okay, I'm going to skip it. Now the username, give your username. Okay, next, give the password. Do not use the simple password like me. Okay, it's not good idea. but it is our test system, so I am using the simple things. Password is very important. It should not be dictionary based. It should not be that much simple. Okay guys, the system is now ready and the login screen will appear. Enter your password and you are done. So guys, it was the installation of CentOS 8. In the next video, inshallah, I shall discuss how to perform the basic settings of the system like name, IP address and so many other things. So you are ready to go. So this is the interface and we shall explore it in the next video, inshallah. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and think it is suitable for you, you can recommend it to your friends. You can subscribe to the channel and you can like it as well. Thank you so much.